for the night.
Lights. I'm just going to light this fire, so here we go.
The alarm's going off.
Can you hear that? That's the geese.
Give your mother a heart attack. Go on then.
Ooh, what on that fire for?
Look at that.
Look at that, guys.
At Beehive Bushcraft and Fern Bushcraft, we're spending a night in our tent or whatever.
But let's get you sparking some sparks. Yeah, you can cook on that, but it doesn't last very long. That's the only trouble, you see.
You won't be able to crisp your bacon up on it.
No, you need a cotton wool bulb like that. Yeah.
Try this.
Do another go?
Right.
Yeah.
Has it made it all manky
Ignore
now?
that.
Yep. Can you do it on this one, look?
Right, if you stand up,
Yeah.
Put the tip
just get yourself
on there.
comfortable.
Yeah, it's got
It does require quite a lot of pressure. to be
pressure.
fair.
Right at the top.
Really
Just
push
tilt
down
it slightly like
before you
that.
push
There you
away.
go. A little bit harder.
Yourself
Push down,
comfortable
push
doing it,
down.
standing up like that, and then you can throw it.
Just there, you just have a little feel there. There's a little edge. That's the edge you want to be scraping against it. So if you put the ferro rod down, and then just have a practice at doing that, and you'll find the action yourself. Sometimes you have to press down quite hard.
Rest it on there, look. Rest the tip on there. Just put that on there, look.
Rub
And
your
then,
finger
and
across
then
there. That's the
hold
edge
that.
you want to be
Hold
scraping
that.
across it. So nice and sharp. That's the perfect angle. You just need to be a little bit harder on it. That's all. Instead of doing it really, really fast, you just want to do a nicer. And it will eventually go. There you go.
There you go.
Like that.
That's cool,
It's
isn't it?
all
Dex?
practice. You know, it's about muscle memory. And you get them.
Put the tip
Don't
on
worry about
there.
it if you destroy them. We've got absolutely tons of them. So the reason why we're using cotton wool, it's got lots of fibres on it. You see, lots of surface area, so it'll take the spark a lot quicker than a log of wood would. You're getting there. The land.
These are good because they also use the stretchers. That's why they have the handles on them. Just literally over there.
So remember, you got to sit down. So bottom bit to your knees.
Turn round. That's it. Put this hand on that one. Push it down. That's it. There you go, and lean back.
But yeah, think of it as the stone knocking the metal off, not the metal knocking the stone off. I find that a lot easier.
Have to get one in the garden, Dex.
I've got one on a stand in the garden.
I'm relaxing here for a bit.
Old pair of jeans, 100% cotton.
Say hello, Mum.
Hello.
You'll find the more you get into bush,
Good lad.
They can give you a little bit of a bite, but they can be a bit irritating.
But it's one of those things where she was always into this sort of thing, where you buy one, and then
Bang a load of water in and stick it on the fire and leave it. So 2 hours later, it's done, isn't it? It's great.
You smell it, and then you're like, it's ready.
it's like the slow cooker with the gaff. She does what we do. Nothing to joke about.
Sometimes when you don't think about it until someone points it out, and then you go, oh yeah, that's obvious. Until someone points it out.
It isn't obvious until it's pointed out.
Yeah, exactly. When you go, oh, that makes sense.
So lay it down, that's it, and then knock it away. That's it, yeah.
Oh, you always feel
There you go, that's it. That's it, nice. There you go.
I literally was like, this log will not speak to me. I am woman. And eventually it was like, hear me cry.
Always go to the one camera.
Yeah.
And it literally had like nuts.
That's it, there you go. And now if you take your axe, stick your axe in a crack and smack the axe down, that'll split it all the way.
In the Kraken.
In the cracking.
In the Kraken.
That's it. There you go. And now use your axe to do the same to quarter it.
Worry about the axe.
That's it. There you go. So you always got to think, if that axe was to swing, where's it going to go? Yeah. So there, the way you all do it, it's going to go straight into the wood, which is great, and it's going to go away from your body, like so.
It's not going to go into me.
No.
Which is always a good thing.
Whee! Everything made up now.
Of the great stuff is called cast up. But if you look a bit closer,
See that sound difference then? You're well through. Yeah, have a feel of that. You're right through.
perfect.
Me and Dexter's first night in the tent done. How was it, Dex?
Good.
Yay!